Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,755 level. We are currently ranked at 189 with a market cap of about $257 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $38 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So for YFI, we are up 6.4% in the last 24 hours. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we have been massively bullish right here on YFI, right? For some of you that has been with us on the channel, you would know that the moment we went above the bull market EMA right there at the $5,000 level, we were bullish on our YFI and we saw this sort of massive push to the upside, right? I want you guys to take profit right here at the $12,000 level, right? Even though we continue pushing to the upside to the $15,000 level, and then we saw that massive dump, right? But since then, we have continued to remain bullish because we said so far prices are still above the bull market EMA, and we said prices are still above also our macro EMA. We were still expecting a push to the upside, right? So we have continued to be bullish, but something is showing on the chart, a huge signal which I want you to be aware of, right? Basically, we have seen prices flip in favor of the bears, right? As you can see currently, we have seen the macro EMA becoming a huge resistance, right? And when that happened in the past, that was the beginning of a bull of a bear market scenario, right? And as you can see, we have flipped. As you can see, the macro EMA is currently acting as resistance, and we have seen this bullish EMA flip to the downside, right? Basically means the EMAs have flipped bearish, and we should be careful as we could see a push to the downside. So we were still holding these bull market EMA, but currently, as we can see, our bounce has not been able to push above this macro EMA. That basically is a warning, huge warning signal that if we are not able to push above the $8,000 level in the next 48 hours, guys, I'm sorry, but you need to get out of your positions, as we could see some sort of massive correction to the downside lingering right here for YFI. So we need to see the price of YFI push above this $8,000 level, this macro EMA, in the next 48 hours, right? If we do not push above, guys, a massive dump we are gonna see on YFI right back there to the lows, right? So you want to be careful, right, and place your stops. This is not financial advice, mind you, but take note, we have seen a bullish confirmation, and this usually means we could see some sort of massive push to the downside. So be very careful. If we do not see this push in the next 48 hours, guys, get out, as we could see the pull to the downside. That doesn't mean we are not in a bull run, right? We could still buy lower, right? It just basically means we could just see some sort of massive correction to the downside, and then you could even buy even more YFI lower, right? So that's the update right here for YFI on the channel. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.